Or reasons why you're stalling to start a business or struggling to grow a business. Welcome to the Savvy Entrepreneur Journey, where I help beginner solopreneurs like you gain more impact, income, and freedom. Do you like my kitty cup? So reason number 1,345,678 why you are stalling to start your business or struggling to grow it is you're getting mixed messages. Now hear me out. You're on here, social media, on your feed, scrolling. You're seeing some of the 6- and 7-figure gurus with their marketing messages. You're seeing entrepreneurs and small business owners that you might relate to, whether they're the same gender, or you like the way they look, or the way they make you laugh, or you like their vibe because they make you feel like you're a friend. There's an array of different entrepreneur personality types out there. And the reality is, some of them you are going to gravitate towards, and some of them will repel you. Either way, if you're trying to get into the entrepreneur game or really level up to the next stage, you're going to be taking in all that messaging, all that information. What I see happening with a lot of beginner solopreneurs is that they just get confused. They don't know who to listen to, because inevitably there's going to be contradicting opinions and messaging coming from all entrepreneurs. So how do you solve this problem? My best piece of advice is this. It's great to be attracted to personalities, information, income, numbers, freebies. Ultimately, you want to either work with people or listen to people that are going to get you a step closer to solving your problem. Remember this. This is important. You have a problem. You don't know where to start, you're overwhelmed, you're confused. It's a number of things that's keeping and preventing you from actually starting a business, or you started one, but you just don't know how to make it grow. Seek information that is going to inch you closer. Whatever you have to do to jumpstart your business growth is what you need to do. Hope that helps. Make sure you follow me here at the Savvy Entrepreneur Journey. Check out my profile. I've got some business resources for you that might help.